Hi, today we'll briefly go over the Amcrest 4K Ultra HD PoE network video recorder, model NV4108E. It is 8 channel, so you can record up to 8 cameras, up to 4K resolution. The quality is insanely clear, so if you want something really clear for your house or business, this is the one to get. It plays nicely with other ONVIF cameras, so you can buy cameras from other manufacturers such as Hikvision, LaView, Dahua, whatever, as long as it's ONVIF compatible, of course. The hard drive is not included, so spare some extra money to buy a hard drive. The one I bought on Amazon was 4 TB hard drive, and that's about $110. This unit alone, with 4 cameras included, costs around $550. Opening the box, this is what you'll see. The NVR itself, power cable, mouse, USB mouse, Cat5 cable, very short Cat5 cable, and the wires for the SATA hard drive. Again, the SATA hard drive, you need to provide your own, because no hard drive is in this box. Looking at the back, you can see here are the 8 PoE port to power up the cameras. Next is the Cat5 port to connect to your router, VGA for the monitor, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use the HDMI, which is all the way at the end. Here are the included 4 cameras that I chose. They come in white or black, but I chose black because this will be going on the outside of the house. 100 feet Cat5 cables is included, and there's 4 of them. For my house, we'll be installing 4 external and 2 internal. The 2 internal I got was the dome, because it looks much more discreet and nice, I think. For comparison, here's a DVD disc, so you can see how small or how big it is. Here's another angle of it. Here are the ones that will be installed on the outside. It's big, but it's not really that big. When you open the box for the external ones, you'll see the mounting hardware, as well as the one to weatherproof it. Upon turning it on, for the first time, the NVR will ask you for the password. You can set the unlock pattern just like the unlock patterns for your Android phones. This is what you'll see when you connect all the cameras. Slowly you'll pick up all the cameras that's connected to it. Right click anywhere to get to the main menu. From the main menu, you can do anything. I would first go into the network. Go into the network so you can get this information for P2P. You'll definitely need it if you want to add this to your phone so you can view it remotely. For playback, right click and open the main menu again. Go to Operation and click on Search. Pick the cameras that you want to see, and then choose the dates, and then choose the time, and hit play all the way at the left side. If you want to zoom into a specific time, just click on 2 hour, 1 hour, or 30 minute. To view the cameras on your smartphone is ridiculously easy. You can view it on your smartphone or tablet. Just download this app from the Google Play Store. I have Android, but of course you can do the same thing for iPhone, but this is for Android phones only. After installing the app, click on Open. The next screen, you'll choose NVR. Click on P2P Setup, and it'll ask you to scan for the barcode. The barcode will be available on this screen. When you click on Network and then P2P, you'll see the barcode to scan. Click on Enter the username and password as you set up on the first screen of the NVR. Next, click on Start Live View to start viewing the live footages on your phone or tablet. This is a really good unit, and I hope you like it too. Let me know how you feel in the comment section.